Are mortgage repayments as simple as paying rent? My name is Jessica Brady. I am a financial advisor and money expert. Quite frankly, my answer is no. Renters usually get a fixed price amount for a period of time. However, if you have a mortgage, if you're on a variable loan, then you need to know that your mortgage repayments can change as often as interest rates change. And if you're on a fixed rate loan, whilst you might have a fixed rate for a set period of time, once that term is up, you're going to need to pay repayments based on the new market rate. Renters also enjoy much more flexibility. No longer like the area that you live in or outgrow the place that you're in. You can incur the moving costs and move wherever you like and not need to incur the sale costs or cost to purchase a new property. Renting also means you don't need to pay for any repairs or maintenance, things like rates, strata, or any special levies. If you love where you rent, but know that it's out of your price range, then you might want to look into rent vesting, which is renting where you love and buying in an area that has good growth potential or high rental returns. So, renting and making mortgage repayments are not the same. Each of them have pros and cons, therefore it's important for you to think about what is right and realistic for you.